viewers, I am Sangeeta, your maths teacher.
Can you see in this video some things I have drawn here? What are all these things? I have drawn some things and I have named in front of those things. Like here you can see something like zigzag, wavy, dotted, curly, spiral, sleeping, standing lines, slanting lines. What are all these things? These are nothing but what? Different kinds of line. Here you can see very different kinds of lines. Here you can observe these are all the lines which we have already studied in our nursery level or kindergarten level. You are all familiar with these all things. So why I am recalling you all these things in this video is because of our video is totally depending on the lines. Now what the exactly line means, I want to give you some easy definition for the line for you all. You can see here it is a very easy definition. We can define the line like this: it is one dimensional figure which has length but no width and extending infinitely in both direction. Okay, now what it means in both direction, dimensional figure and all, okay, don't bother about it. You already know now what are the rays. Okay, rays, here you can see when the point is moving from the starting point to another direction, it moves in only one direction. And you also studied about the opposite rays. What were the opposite rays? If you have already seen my previous video, then you can come to know there, when the two rays which are moving from the same starting point on the opposite sides, exactly, if one ray is moving in this side, then the other ray should move exactly opposite towards the other direction, and this forms the opposite ray. Now this forms the straight line. You can just see here it is forming a straight line. And I also told you there it can measure 180 degree. The line which measures exactly 180 degree is called the straight line. So now by knowing this opposite ray definition, you can come nearby to the definition of line. Here it is defined as one dimensional figure. I also told you what is the dimension. Dimension in the sense is here dimensions. What are dimensions? Dimensions means here we can consider about length, breadth and height. Here line is nothing but a single dimensional figure which is having no breadth. Breadth means here there is no width and no height at all. It is only a single dimensional figure. Okay, now here the definition, it means it is a one dimensional figure which has the length, only it is having length, no breadth, no height, it is having only length. So it is one dimensional figure which has length but no width and no height also, and it can be extended infinitely in both direction. It can be extended infinitely in both direction. What it means, it can be extended infinitely in both direction. I can extend this line on this side also, and also I can extend it on this side also. Okay, it means line is nothing but a single dimensional figure which can be extended infinitely on both directions. Now I think you are able to understand the definition. It is a one dimensional figure which has length but no width and extending infinitely in both directions. Now our famous mathematician, who is also called as the father of geometry, here he is called as father of geometry. Who is he? You can see he is none other than Euclid. Euclid has also given the definition of line as breadthless length. It is nothing but a length. It is a length which is having no breadth at all. It is a simple definition which matches to this line. Okay, now you are able to know what is the line. Now, not only enough to know what is the line, there are again types of lines which we are going to study in this video. Those are like here comes types of lines: straight lines, curved lines, horizontal lines, and vertical lines. In this video I am going to cover these topics. Types of lines can be studied one by one by the help of their definitions. First of all, we are going to study about the straight line and curved lines by the help of definitions. Here, what is a straight line? You can see a line moves in one direction or particular direction. What does it mean? One direction or particular direction in the sense, see, here if I draw a line, it moves in only one particular direction. It moves from left to right or right to left. You can see like this. It doesn't bend anywhere. It doesn't bend. If I'll take the line, it has A and B, it is moving horizontally. It is moving like from left to right or right to left. Or else if I take another line P, Q, it is also moving straight away. It is not bending anywhere. It means it is a straight line. Now what about curved lines? Curved lines are nothing but a line do not move in a single direction. In a single direction means if I'll take a line A, B, it can move like this. It will bend like this, it can bend. Means these are curved lines. You can take here some example. If you take the examples, you can understand easily. I am going to take here a belt. You can see belt. It is example for which line? Can you say it? It is the example for a straight line or a curved line? Yes, it is example for straight line, because here the strips of this belt are moving straightly. Okay, so this is example for straight line. Now one more example I can take for curved lines. Here some day-to-day life examples I am taking. It is a coil. Okay, here the lines of this strip of the coil are bending like this in circular shapes. So these are called curved lines. Or else some more examples I can show you here for curved line is wavy lines or spiraled lines. These are all examples for curved lines. Straight lines are nothing but a line moves in one direction or particular directions are the example for straight line. And as you can see the definition, a line do not move in a single direction are called as curved lines. Some examples also I have shown here. By these examples now it is very easy you all to understand what are the straight lines and curved lines. Now next point we are going to study is horizontal lines and vertical lines. Now horizontal line, what is exactly the meaning of horizontal line? When the line moves from left to right or right to left, left to right or right to left in a straight direction, those are called as horizontal lines. Now as I showed you one example of belt. Okay, here if I take it from left side to right or right side to left, these are what called as horizontal lines. And now this belt only can be example for both vertical and horizontal. I'll show you. First we can see the definition. Okay, when lines move from top to the bottom or bottom to the top, those are called as vertical lines. Now here I am going to highlight this top to the bottom and bottom to top. What are these top to the bottom and bottom to the top? Now by comparing this horizontal and vertically, we can understand those both lines. What does they really mean? Horizontal means if I take a line from moving left to right, left to right, Or else if I am taking this line which is moving from right to left, then these are called horizontal lines. Okay, if by the definition I want to give an example for vertical lines, how should I give here? If I am taking from top to the bottom, then it will become the example for vertical line. If I am also drawing from bottom to the top, then also it is the example for vertical line. Now how can I take the same example for both the vertical and horizontal is, I can just turn this belt directions. Okay, if I am keeping this belt in this way, I can see this is horizontal. If I keep it like this, then it is the example for vertical lines. So now I hope that you have very clearly understood the type of lines like straight lines and curved lines. Next, you also understood about the horizontal lines and vertical lines. You can also observe in our day-to-day lives and find out the type of lines which we have studied in today video. Thank you, and don't forget watching my channel, and please subscribe and press the like button.